million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive. I'm walking the block.
Hey, I'm back with some human hair drip. You knew what it was when you saw me in this little off-the-shoulder shirt that's actually on backwards. Okay, human hair in the morning, synthetic in the afternoons normally, okay? This is from a new company that we ain't worked with. And y'all know if they are trash, I'm gonna tell you they trash because human hair is too expensive. And plus, I feel like y'all my booze, so I ain't gonna lie to you. And I ain't gonna lie, when this box came to me, it was beat the hell up. Okay, look at the box. Toe up, toe out the frame. But that wasn't their fault. I would give them that because the packaging was damaged. And I don't know why, but it was toe up. Let's hope that the wig ain't trash like this box, okay? So the name of the company is AYIYI. 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 Okay, so let's see if we like them. So they said I'm throwing this box in the trash as we speak. Okay, I keep a big pile over there when I'm filming. So here's the wig, but they sent this little pouch too, y'all. Let's see what's in this pouch, okay? In the pouch, they sent, okay, sis. And you know, these little extras do matter. Okay, they sent a little headband. They sent a cute little hair clip that I ain't gonna wear because I'm bald, but whoever I sell this to gonna have it. An edge brush. Wig caps. And some lashes. Is this lashes? Yep, say ruby lashes. And y'all know I'm a lash fanatic. These barely hanging on though. Okay, those are cute actually, look. Okay, so y'all, them little extras to me really do matter because I feel like if you gonna spend money on human hair, they can give you a little extra, okay? Now this wig, all it says is that it's 18 inches long. I know nothing else about it. If you look in that description box, I put it in there, okay? Let us see. Oh, it smells good. Literally straight coming out the pack. Ooh. Normally some of this hair be musty, okay? 11 degrees outside and people think you musty because your hair musty. So this one did not, okay? Taking that net off, taking the paper out. It's a body wave. Ooh, y'all, and it's 18 inches long. How beautiful is that? Y'all, and it's a 4x4. I'm thinking it's either a 4x4 or a 5x5, but I'm thinking that's a 4x4. Y'all look. And y'all know I love a 4x4 because they're so easy. You get that parting space. You get a comb to the right. You get a comb to the left. In the back, you get a comb and adjustable straps. And they sewn a band in. And it's sewn in, not clipped in to where it can fall out. Okay. All right. Okay. Before I, do all that extra, let me just show it to you straight on my head with nothing, done to it. Okay, because it's a 4x4, you guys, you could wear it over here to the right. And you can actually part it anywhere in that area. But I would shift it. You could wear it in the middle. Or you could wear it over here to the left. Or let's cut off this lace and jump to it. Watch how simple this is going to be. 4x4s are like the synthetic form or ease of a human hair wig. So I have a feeling I'm going to like this one. Be right back.
I'm walking the block. Simple was that, y'all.
I 125,000% recommend this wig. If you are a beginner like me, like I tell y'all all the time, I'm a wig player, not a slayer. I do not know how to comb hair. And this was so easy. Simply running some powder up that part and running my fingers through it, and this is what you get. But that is the beauty that's in a 4x4 or 5x5 or 6x6. Now, if you get down with the 13x6s, 13x4s, kudos, because AYIYI, however you pronounce it, they actually sell those too. I just love a good, easy 4x4. Period. I definitely recommend that you go pick this wig up. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can get this wig and their website so you can play around. Ah, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. I don't know. Maybe it's your cousin Alana. Maybe it's your Uncle Alfred. Whichever one send them my way, and me and I hair will get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon for human hair. Remember, in the morning, synthetic in the evenings. Bye, y'all.